It's D-Day, or T-Day, I should call it. The Tesla is arriving today. Tesla are delivering it to my home. They've very kindly given me a 3-hour window. There's no tracking link to figure out when it's going to arrive in that 3-hour window. So, like any chimpanzee-brained man-child, I'm sitting here impatient and excited and just wanting time to fly by. So I've decided to use absolute science to speed this process up. What I've done is I've made myself something to eat, because as we all know, the moment you make yourself something to eat, someone knocks on the door, right? In the meantime, I've been scrolling through these videos here. Tesla kindly sends you a link with some intro videos to learn. So there it is, it's come down off the back of the trailer. This is how it's been delivered from Tesla, straight to my door, my house. It's come on the back of this beast. It's come on the back of a trailer, so it's not come perfectly clean because it's raining today. And delivered inside looking like this. And as I say, this has been driven on and off of a trailer, so not quite as you'd pick it up directly from the dealer where everything's pristine. Of course, somebody's been in and out of this. It's not showroom condition, but hey, that's what you get when you have something delivered. That's not a problem at all. It's been delivered with roughly half a charge, 47% showing on there, so that's not bad. Happy with that. Does means I can go and drive it straight away. I haven't got to worry about charging it. Day one, when you get your Tesla, it probably won't be sitting in the Tesla app ready for you to use your phone as a key, but you do get, when you first take delivery of your car, ta-da, one of these guys, and inside there there's quite a nice little package, and inside there, if you open that up, what you get is one of these. There's two of them in there, and they're the keys that open the car. So you hold this on the pillar between the front and the rear door, and that unlocks. And then to start your car, what you need to do is just behind the cup holders here on this surface. Let me get this armrest up out of the way. Just on this surface here, you need to place the key, and what that does is that then starts the car up. Okay, there we go. It even gives you a little description of what to do here. So you put that on there, and then it becomes active and the car will start. That's how you get into your Tesla, and that's how you start it. To lock your Tesla as well, you can do the same in reverse. You can just take this little key card. One top tip as well, when you put it on there to start, put it somewhere else. Either put it in your wallet or put it there, but don't leave it on there, because as you go around the corners it will just slide off and sod's law, it'll end up down the side of your seat. When you get out your car, take your Tesla card, hold it back against the pillar on the outside of the car, just underneath the camera, and that will lock your car as well. And in the settings, you can do things like set it up to fold the mirrors in and all that sort of good stuff. Okay, thanks guys, hope that helps.